The best gaming PCs are the most powerful tool at your disposal for playing the most demanding games and a lot more. Hello everyone, in today's video we'll take a look at the best cheap gaming PCs in 2021. The best budget gaming PCs are certainly up to the challenge of giving you a quality gaming experience. Blasting through hordes of foes at rapid frame rates and high resolutions is fun, but you can just as easily use a gaming rig for graphic design, animation, or simply streaming movies and TV in beautiful 4K. It doesn't matter if you're short on cash or just don't need or care about maxing out all the settings in the latest AAA game. Either way, you'll save some money. When shopping for a pre-built gaming PC on a budget, it's important to look for a system with reliable components that form a strong platform for longevity and future upgrades. The best gaming PCs are the premier way to get a seriously powerful gaming rig into your life with, arguably, a greater level of ease and convenience. While you could always look at building yourself a great gaming PC from scratch, meticulously researching components and soldering techniques, the truth is there are plenty of great pre-made and optimized builds on the best gaming PC market right now. PS5 and Xbox Series X deliver plenty of power, but still there is no match for one of the best gaming PCs. If you want fast-loading SSDs, gorgeous ray tracing, massive quantities of RAM, 4K resolution and 60+ FPS frame rate, you don't have to wait until the consoles come back in stock. You can have the best gaming PCs right now. And, unlike a console, you can upgrade PCs as better components becomes available. Watch this video fully to find your next great gaming machine. So let's get started with 5 best cheap gaming PCs. Number 1. Alienware Aurora 11. The Alienware Aurora 11 is leading Alienware into the next generation of gaming. As well as 10th gen Intel's processors and the possibility of liquid-cooled graphics cards, it offers a variety of builds to suit most budgets. If you want to get into PC gaming for the first time or would like to upgrade your existing setup perhaps to soak up all of the joyous ray tracing games, this is the most cost-effective way to do it. Ranging from affordable starter rigs to pimped-out super PCs, the Aurora R11 strikes a good balance of choice. Better still, these desktops can be easily opened and upgraded with different parts as and when you see fit. Want more RAM or a larger SSD? No problem. Because the power supply unit swings out on a metal arm, you get more room to fiddle with the PC's insides. The R11 design builds on the already attractive R9, too. Although it sticks with the distinctive case and scooped-out front of its predecessor, this update enriches that formula with new lighting around the central strip in some cases. It's an addition that turns heads and makes the design feel even more futuristic than it did before. Number 2. Alienware Aurora Ryzen R10. The Aurora Ryzen R10 series is a Ryzen build entry into the Aurora series, all sporting 3rd gen AMD Ryzen processors rather than the usual Intel's processors. The former have massively closed the gap on the latter in recent years and months, so it's no real surprise to see an Alienware PC range specifically offering that kind of CPU. Focused around that Ryzen CPU, though, you can fully customize your Aurora R10 however you want. Which means that whether you're a console gamer looking to break into PC gaming or a die-hard veteran who wants the ultimate build, you'll find it here. The Alienware brand name comes with the usual price premium that most Alienware products have, but if you can overcome that, and want the respective premium quality that also comes with the name, then the spaceship-inspired R10 design is for you, especially since the Alienware Command Center is a useful bit of kit packed in. Number 3. Asus ROG A15. A stylish, great value powerhouse from a top-notch manufacturer. This is a tremendous machine and one that really harnesses a great power to performance to price balance. It's a great new design from Asus and is a welcome addition to the pre-built gaming PC market. I use this PC every day, so I am a bit biased perhaps. I'd argue, it's well-placed bias. It's a joy to use as a work PC that seamlessly changes to a monster. The components of my build, particularly, demonstrate the GA15 successful inhabiting of a place of balance between performance and value. Inside is a 3700X processor, a 2060 Super graphics card, 16GB of RAM, and a 256GB SSD plus 2TB HDD combo. It's got a sweet design, plenty of ports, runs quiet, and has some RGB fun too on the front, with Asus making so many great gaming laptops right now. It's no wonder they've come out with an excellent new desktop range. Number 4. HP Omen Obelisk. The best gaming PC for performance and understated aesthetics. There's something sort of mystical about the obelisk that encapsulates some of the most exciting facets of our hobby. The sleek, hard angles of this HP rig mirror the object it's named after, a dense black cube of potentiality ready to unleash the most beautiful and intense games of this generation. True to that design, the obelisk is trim and compact and powerful. It cuts away the fat, eschewing overblown RGB lighting or the elaborate tentacles of a liquid cooling setup, focusing instead on delivering sheer performance at a very attractive price. It's also highly customizable, with a range of builds that start at the very affordable and peak up near some truly dizzying heights. The obelisk comes packed with a very nice 8th Gen Core i7 8700 and a high-end RTX 2080, only one step down from Nvidia's most powerful 20 series, ray tracing-focused graphics powerhouse. It also boasts a speedy 256GB SSD and a generous 2TB standard HDD. So you'll have plenty of room to load your most demanding games onto the faster storage and tons of leftover room for everything else. Number 5. Dell G5 Gaming Desktop. Away for Dell's Alienware gaming machines, the PC maker's own brand G-series desktop PCs are underrated machines. They often provide a great budget or entry-level round into gaming PCs and are not an afterthought. They get updates as much as any of the other desktops or laptops available at Dell. The really entry-level ones won't do gang-busting numbers or levels of graphical fidelity, but they'll be great PCs to have at home for work and play. Now that the baseline is the 10th generation of Intel chips, this is another factor to work in their favor. Particularly as the baseline is the 16 series of Nvidia cards, which will handle anything just fine, and you can choose one well into the ray tracing range, including the 2070 Super. Their compact form is also a plus side, while Dell's aftercare, should you need it, is pretty good too. A value-busting quality entry in this list. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.